Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can disable quick launch. I'm talking about the side key feature. So when we double press power key, we can easily open one of the applications to link to the side key. So right now I will show you how we can get rid of that. So we have to go simply for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down until you find advanced features. There it is, as you can see. Right now we have to go for the side key, and as you can see, we have to simply tap on the switcher, just like that. I have some problem with the display. Okay, so as you can see, when we tap on the side key feature, and right now when you double press power key, it is not going to be activated. And basically that's how you can get rid of that function in your Note 10 Lite. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.